right, truck fans, take a look at this one. 1971 K20 4x4 regular cab, a long box, and this one is a beauty. As you can see, riding on 16-inch aluminum wheels, mud claw radials. This has a 6-inch suspension lift to it. That's what's putting it up in the air. The bully side step there. Finished off in beautiful paint, gray metallic paint. This has had a frame off restoration, and you'll be able to check out the still pictures of this on the underside, see how clean it is. I'll give you that website address in a minute. Underneath the hood, 350 Chevy V8 powered. That is paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission, so you don't have to be afraid to drive this one down the highway. Also a 2-speed transfer case. Now, if you want to check out those still pictures, like I said, so you can take a look at the underside of this, you can see the interior, check out the bed. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see it. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Look at how straight this truck is up and down the side of it. And again, this paint is laid on very, very nice. You can see the reflection of the wall behind me. So you know this paint's got a nice shine, nice luster to it. Tires are good. Obviously not many miles on those. I'm going to open up this door. It's probably easiest to show you the inside when I'm standing here. So here we go, black vinyl. Obviously all been reupholstered also. Appears to be stock door panels. Has an aftermarket Pioneer stereo system in it. Just finished off beautiful in here too. Retains a stock looking dash, stock looking wheel. Again, interior looks very much like it would have came back 1971. And you can see how nice everything fits. Now there's a spray and bed liner in this also, and as you can see, there's some diamond plated kind of custom heavy duty bumpers that will go along with this purchase. Right now it's got more of a stock chrome looking one on it, and there is a cover back there too, obviously. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this truck to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract, so feel free to consult with your sales associate when you call in or email us. Truck also has power steering and power brakes underneath the hood with that 350 up there. Very free of nicks, dings, scratches. And again, look at the reflection, the luster in that paint. See the showroom reflecting off of it. Nice sounding truck too. Custom fit exhaust with Flowmasters on it. And we'll start it up here in a bit for you too. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And of course, the phone number, 507-386-1726. Edelbrock carb, Edelbrock intake on that 350. And as you can see, we got a floor mat down here, but underneath, floor mat, carpeting, everything like new. Door panel on this side, custom fit Pioneer speakers in the lower doors. Here's where you can see that stock dash. I'm going to go ahead and fire this up. Always been a great starting truck. See how easily it starts. Stereo obviously works. Seats vinyl, free of rips, tears, anywhere. Again, how nicely the door closes. Come around to the back here, listen to this. Nice little rumble coming out of that 350 underneath the hood. And remember, that is paired with a 700 R4 transmission. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. I want to pop this hood and let you get a good look at the engine bay. Alright, here's that engine bay, 350 underneath the hood. You can see some chrome dress up with the valve covers and air cleaner covers. Again, power brakes, power steering. See how smooth everything is underneath there. Running great. Nice and tidy engine bay. Underside of this hood has also been finished off like a spray-on liner, so it does have a protective coating on there. But again, you see how smooth that runs. No knocks, ticks, anything like that. Good sound at 350. Alright, just want to step back, make sure I haven't missed anything on this one. And again, call us with any questions. 507-386-1726. Of course, website uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you in getting this truck to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.